Welcome to Study Loop.
So import math module, we have the radius of the Earth, that's 6,371.01 kilometers. And we want to prompt the user for 2 points in terms of latitude and longitude in degrees, so we need to evaluate those. So user will input point 1, which is latitude and longitude in degrees. And then point 2, well, just x2, y2. Evaluate the input, enter point 2, latitude, longitude in degrees. And then we need to calculate the distance between those based on the great circle. So there's going to be a lot of trig functions in here, so there's going to be a lot of math dot, cosine, sine, arc, cosine. But also we have to make sure that the numbers that go into this equation have to be in radians. So fortunately there's just a simple function to convert degrees to radians because the user is going to give us these numbers in degrees. So we need the radius times the inverse cosine, so it's just math.acos of the sine of x1. So math.sine, and remember we want these converted to radians for this. So math.radians, which converts degrees to radians, of x1 times the sine of x2, math.sine, math.radians, x2 plus the cosine of x1, radians, x1 times the cosine of x2 I'm going to start a new line here. Whoop. Put my multiplier here first. So times the cosine of y1 minus y2. So again, radians of y1 minus y2. 3. Okay. And then we're going to print the outputs. So we're going to say the distance between the 2 points is, so we want to take the string, we're going to round the number d to 2 places, and then back to our kilometers here, not n. Alright, so then we have to save, and I'll save this as create circle, and then we can run it, and if we put in points 39.55 comma negative 116.25, and then it prompts us for 0.2, 41.5, and 87.37. And there's the distance between the 2 points.